Hi, this is Basha. Welcomes you all. In this video, we are going to see a very important topic. The limits of trigonometric ratios. Very useful for CBSE children. So here I am going to give the limits of trigonometric ratios when theta is acute. Means theta is acute angle. So let's consider a right triangle. You are seeing here. The theta is acute. The theta is acute. The side which is opposite to theta is known as opposite side. This is opposite side, and the side which is adjacent to theta is called adjacent side, and longest side is nothing but hypotenuse. So we are going to give the limits of trigonometry ratios when theta is acute. Okay, before going to that, please write the formulas we have seen. We know already the formulas of trigonometry ratios at right angle triangle. So first, sine theta and cos theta I am writing. So sine theta is equal to the formula we know, opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what we consider here, theta is acute. When theta is acute, all the 6 ratios lies in first quadrant, so all are positive. All are positive. These two are very important. Please note down. All 6 ratios are positive when theta is acute. Next, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. As we know, opposite side is always less than hypotenuse, and adjacent side also less than hypotenuse. We know why, because in right triangle hypotenuse is the longest side, so opposite side and adjacent sides are less than the hypotenuse. Means the sin theta will becomes less by more. Less by more means it is always less than 1. It is like a proper fraction. Same cos theta also less by more. This also less than 1. So sin theta comma cos theta are less than 1. Okay, means cannot be more than 1. Sin theta cos theta cannot be more than 1. So hope you understand these two ratios. Second, I am going to give the limits of cosecant theta and secant theta. Cosecant theta formula just reciprocal of sine, so hypotenuse by opposite side. Secant theta formula we know, hypotenuse by adjacent side. So we know hypotenuse is always more than opposite side, as well as hypotenuse is more than opposite side, and hypotenuse is also more than adjacent side. So this is always more than unity. So more than 1. So these are more than 1. So we can tell that cosec theta and sec theta are always more than 1. More than 1. So next two ratios, those are nothing but tan theta and cot theta. So tan theta formula we know, opposite side by adjacent side. Cot theta adjacent side by opposite side. As we can't derive the relationship between opposite side and adjacent side, means which is more, which is less, we can't able to tell. So this tan theta and cot theta can be any value. So in this way I have explained the limits of 6 trigonometry ratios. Hope you are clear with this. First one, sin theta cos theta are always less than 1, means cannot be more than 1. Cosec theta, secant theta always more than 1. Tan theta, cot theta can be any value. Just recap what we have seen. Therefore, the limits of trigonometric ratios of a positive acute angle theta always non-negative, means those always positive. The value of sin theta, cos theta cannot be greater than 1. The values of cosec theta, secant theta cannot be less than 1. And the values of tan theta, cot theta can be any value. So sin theta, cos theta always less than 1, means they cannot be more than 1. Secant theta, cosec theta always more than 1, means they cannot be less than 1. Tan theta, cot theta always any value. We can't define tan theta, cot theta. It can be any value. Hope you understand the topic limits of trigonometry ratios when theta is acute. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.